this was an unexpected and unplanned situation, but we were recently blessed with an entire herd of dairy goats. I found out yesterday and we picked them up today. So we went from a handful of goats to multiple handfuls of goats. We picked up a herd of 14 does and one buck. The buck is pulled. All of the girls are alpine or mini alpine, and super sweet, super gorgeous. So we're fixing to put them in the pen so they can calm down, because they're freaking out over the trailer. Hi babies. We were also gifted a milking stand. Like, I'm just beyond speechless with the amount of stuff that they gifted us. And especially these babies. Oh my gosh. Hi babies. Hi beautiful. Editing Amanda here. I realized I did not tell you guys kind of the story behind the goats. I'm going to go into more detail at a later video, so it'll be kind of a face-to-face conversation letting you guys know what all happened, but I wanted to fill you in at least a little bit. So I reached out to a lady kind of interested in maybe one of her goats. They were a little out of our price range, and she messaged me a couple of days later and let me know that God had laid it on her heart to bless us with her entire herd of goats. She asked to meet with me. We had lunch and everything before she let me know this, but yeah, they said God had told them to bless us with the goats, and we're not going to deny a blessing, especially if God laid it on their hearts to bless us with these animals. So we're going to jump in feet first and see where this takes us. I'm not really sure what his plans are for us, but apparently goats are in that plan. So we're going to be filming and recording this entire journey, so please be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Braylon was my camera woman while we were unloading all the goats and everything, so most of the film she got. I would really appreciate you guys staying until the end and just watching her videos, because she is so dang cute. Her little commentaries, I love them. This is our new herd of goats. He's not. He's not, Mom. We got... Mom, how many did we get? 15. We got 15 new goats, and that one right there was Skinny. She is the leader. Seems like Bug is... Seems like she doesn't like Bug at all, the little black baby. The lady seems to be very curious about them. Oh, so the dad is pulled of them, so it makes 50% of the babies are pulled and the other 50% are horned. But as you can see, we have a really pretty new herd. There we go. Hey, I'll be over there in a minute. Our herd of goats. There's Lily and Sweet Tea. The lady is over there fighting Headbutting. I think he's only taking them because oh, there's Lady. Sweet Tea. Don't be being mean to the new herd. There's Lady, our little sweetheart. Then here are Ladies and Sweet Tea's babies. The one biggest one is Lily's. Yeah, Lily's. Then the other two are sweeties. Then ladies, little baby is right there. Then look, there's our new herd. 15.
She's rubbing her scent on all of these bowls.
For real? She is literally rubbing her scent on every bowl. That's not yours.
We're gonna share.
I wouldn't be surprised if all of them did that. Oh, look. Sweet Tea sis did it. Lily, stop rubbing your scent all over them. Those are everybody's food bowls. There's our 15 new goats. Actually 14 right here. The boy is in the pasture. Here they come.
Okay, we're good.
Alright.
Chill out for a second with the video. Trying to get food and
Okay, I'll be filming Lily to see if she does any more sassy behavior. What are you? That's not yours. That one can be yours if you're choosing it. But you can't have all of them. Don't be stealing all of them, ma'am. Give me that. Yours is causing chaos. You seriously that jealous? Are you gonna do it again? Why? Put it down. Hand me that. Leave it. Why are you being sassy? Huh? Is it because we have a whole new herd of 14 over there? And the babies are headbanging each other's. Hi, cutie. Mow this down really fastly, especially with how the people's yard looked. And we did get a milking stand from them and a milker. So they're giving us a lot. And a couple bags of food. So let's just go in here. I'll show y'all the milking stand. Let's see. This milking stand is the perfect height for me. The other one's a little too tall. And this one's way lighter, so we can just move it out of the way once we're done milking. Oh, and also the total of goats that we are going to be milking is 21. So yeah. I'm going to go water my rabbits. And then do another update with you all here in a couple of minutes.
alright, so I'm just gonna go around and put some of all the food things.
Do you need your scoop? I can see who's going to be stealing all of the food. I'm going to stand over here by the door. I'm not annoyed at you. Oh, let's... Hey.
Lily girl. Point it down at Lily. There's Lily girl.
Alright, so there's some of the new girls out there. They're not wanting to come in here with me in here. That's Lady and Bug over here. And then these are all new girls in the back. Sweet Tea, and then Lily is closest to me. So I mixed what they're used to eating along with our food. They're all kind of munching a little bit, but the new girls are not super sure. They're not super sure. I am filling up a water thing. I am disgusting and sweaty and gross. But here's the part that I am really not looking forward to. I mean, I am and I'm not. So they were all bred in July, so we're looking at having a lot of December babies. So be ready. We're going to try to film the births and all the things and show you guys everything to do with these new goats and this new experience, because I've had goats before, but not as an adult and not this many, and I'm just really excited. I'm a little nervous for kidding season, but all in all, I'm really excited. And of course, we won't be keeping all of the kids, so if you guys are local to us and you're looking for some goats, we will definitely have kids available. Anyways, water's almost full, so I better hop off of here. I want to thank you guys for hanging out with me tonight, and I will see you guys later. Bye.